Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can uninstall and remove the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down and tap on secure folder. Next, you want to go down and tap on more settings. Then go ahead and tap on uninstall. Now say you can move your media files out of secure folder before uninstalling it. Don't turn off your phone while secure folder is being uninstalled. And you have the option here. It says, do you want to move media files out of secure folder? If yes, then you select this button. It is selected by default. Otherwise, you can deselect and it will remove all the files inside your secure folder. So I'm going to deselect it because I have nothing important in my secure folder. So I might as well to remove all the data in it. Now I'm going to tap on the uninstall button, and this will allow the phone to remove the secure folder. And if I go into my app screen, you can see in here, my secure folder is now uninstalled. So secure folder. So you can see it's not in here anymore. I cannot search for it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.